Hello everyone, welcome to my channel House of Wireless. My name is Malik Ehsan Ejaz and I am an RF and microwave engineer who has been designing and developing active and passive devices for the past 13 years. So here on this channel, I will go through a variety of practical RF and microwave circuit simulations which will demonstrate linear, nonlinear and EM simulation techniques and concepts. I will also cover some theory along the way. So I hope you will enjoy what is to come. So please subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. See you around and stay connected.